Clouds are heavy, shadows loom, whispers of a brewing storm in the room. But I won't let the thunder shake my ground. I'm searching for the calm that's yet to be found. Let the rain and storm stop. Be still, may peace return. Hope will rise with the morning light. In the silence, hearts will learn. Winds have howled, but I'll stand tall. With every drop, I'm breaking the fall. The skies will clear and my heart will sing. As the sun breaks free, I'll embrace the spring. Let the rain and storm stop. Be still, may peace return. Hope will rise with the morning light. In the silence, hearts will learn. Every storm must find its end. With every tear, there's a chance to mend. Feel the whisper of the gentle breeze, a promise of tomorrow, a hush of ease. So let the rain fade into the past. In the quiet aftermath, peace at last. Clouds are heavy, shadows loom, whispers of a brewing storm in the room. But I won't let the thunder shake my ground. I'm searching for the calm that's yet to be found. Let the rain and storm stop. Be still, may peace return. Hope will rise with the morning light. In the silence, hearts will learn. Winds have howled, but I'll stand tall. With every drop, I'm breaking the fall. The skies will clear and my heart will sing. As the sun breaks free, I'll embrace the spring. Let the rain and storm stop. Be still, may peace return. Hope will rise with the morning light. In the silence, hearts will learn. Every storm must find its end. With every tear, there's a chance to mend. Feel the whisper of the gentle breeze, a promise of tomorrow, a hush of ease. So let the rain fade into the past. In the quiet aftermath, peace at last.